You ready to go in, babe, on this Fuzion?
Yep.
I don't know what the ooh, this isn't, oh yeah, this front porch is, we'll be out here all the time. Look at the TV too. Could that be neat? Come out here and just watch TV.
And we have our little gas fireplace.
Yeah, I like it. I really do. So far.
Oh, the silk is nice.
Yeah. It's a toy hauler. Look at those benches.
Yeah.
You pull out. That's cool. Not that comfortable, but it's cool.
Oh, that's not a bad price.
I don't think so, yeah. Well,
For a fifth wheel.
savings, list price.
Savings of 63.
Oh, this is the price here though. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, this thing is expensive.
Yeah. This.
Oh yeah. Well, I just wanna. Yeah.
Oh, that's. Really
Yeah, I gotta
nice.
put the 0.6. There you go. Oh yeah, that's a lot of storage. Yeah. Oh, this might not be too deep though. Let me see. No, it's not too deep, but it's deep enough.
Yeah.
This one should be a little deep. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put a lot in there.
Yeah. Big fireplace.
Yeah, let me get that. I don't want to go choppy in. And that's a big TV too.
Yeah.
That's at least a 40-inch.
Who is this?
Thomas Paine.
Oh, this is the one that they say peels.
Yeah, well,
The
yeah.
leather. Yeah. Oh, it's so comfortable though.
It's hard to replace that one. That one's big. You like it, babe? Is it
Very nice.
comfortable, approved by
is.
Shelly?
Yes.
Go bing.
Oh, and it has a little pull out.
Go bing.
Bing!
We don't have any cartoons.
Oh, there's look.
Yeah,
On the other side.
Yeah. It'd be nice to.
Oh, look.
It's not too bad actually. If you use these benches to eat breakfast, it's better than having all those seats in the way.
I like the
Right.
kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen is different.
Yeah.
It's a V shape, but it's nice. Look at all the keys.
Yeah.
You can take it now. It's not bad. This is light too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that trash can and
Yeah,
everything.
that's nice. And shelves.
Yeah. Even over here.
Oh, this has
Drawers.
2 sides
Yeah. Well, let me see.
for a freezer. That's different.
Yeah.
Huh.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
3 burner, but it looks different. Looks like it's more fancy, more quality.
this is
Looks like it's the same size
Yeah.
as ours, but it has this interesting drawer down here.
There's not a lot of prep space.
Yeah, but you put it right here.
Yeah, it's not a lot though.
Yeah. Coffee nook over there, and then right here, but you have that whole thing right there. Where they eat, where they serve, right here.
Yeah.
You can serve, you can prep there. So this is a toy hauler. Something we really don't need. I like a garage, but I don't need a toy hauler. We don't have any toys.
Yeah, we don't need all this.
It's a nice little bathroom they have back here. Like an added bathroom, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, this is huge.
Yeah, this toy hauler is actually not too bad, actually. Oh, look at that big thing. It slides down.
Oh, a bed.
Yeah.
Bunks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has a...
That's a good idea to have them go up.
Because you can sit there and there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have a patio in the front. They didn't set it up because they didn't have room, I think, but they have a patio in the back too with a door. I kind of like it. You gotta watch for that step right there.
Yeah.
Nice
Oh,
little,
sorry.
nice little
I
trip.
didn't see you until I looked up.
How you doing, sir?
Good, yourself?
Good, good.
We should have a thing going up.
Yeah, we could probably put a bar here for you, like a
Yeah.
bar. Let's check out. Ooh, I like this bathroom. It's not too bad. The shower is not bad. Let's see if I can fit in it. Oh yeah, plenty of headroom.
I can't see it.
corner sink.
This is washer and dryer? No.
Let me see.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see. Yep, washer and dryer hookups.
Ooh, you have to put your things on there.
Yeah. Banging. I don't like banging.
Uh-uh.
Oh, the slide doors?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just the one slide. This one open.
Oh. And then you got the whole closet. That's your closet right there. Yeah. The pocket doors over there. Let me check out this bed. This looks like a king bed, baby.
It is a king. Yeah.
And then you have the TV up here, small TV. That's all you need. Yeah, I like this. I like this.
A little.
Huh?
No, but we don't. I don't touch.
That's how Fistful is.
Yeah.
Like you go up when you go up the steps.
Yeah.
But you have the big headroom over down here, then.
Right under bed.
Under bed storage, dude.
King slide.
Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it's storage, but it's kind
I
of.
don't like that.
Yeah.
No.
I just don't like that
No,
plywood
the board,
looking. Yeah. I mean, it looks like a nice storage, so I don't know if I got it because I was worried about lifting it. All right. Ooh, nice skylight. I like that. It's okay. I think we could definitely. It'll be durable.
It's not for me.
No.
We don't need a twin color that.
Yeah.
But this is beautiful right there.
Oh my God. We have one of these. We'll be out here all the time, just chilling. Watch your step, babe.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That's right.
There she goes.
Oh, that's right.
Fuzion by Keystone. Seems like they have a lot of storage. Looks like it's secured. Oh, I just can't open it with one hand. Ooh, look at that. Three-axle. Nice. See?
It's only two little ones and then one.
Well, you got this big bay. You got that big thing. You got the toy hauler. Well, you have to find. Sometimes you can't get the storage because of the garage. So you gotta sacrifice one thing for another. I mean, you have that whole space right there. No, yeah, we wasn't gonna buy it.
We're not just
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.